Oke, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
We are from Group 5. Today, on this occasion, we will present the result of our discussions of analysis of student thesis. Before that, let me introduce ourselves. My name is Nova Anissa and also my friend Triani. Okay, the first material will be delivered by me. Okay, the title of this PPT is an error analysis of the student thesis and entitled a narrative analysis of an English debater's experience in using self-talk strategy in English debate by Abdul Aziz Turaya. Okay, the first thing we must know is what is the definitions of error analysis, a useful technique to define the learner's error of second language. It is beneficial to the learner and the teacher both because it gives valuable feedback to both teachers and learners regarding strategies and progress. It is compulsory to evaluate the current status of the learner, and it also indicates. Okay, the next material will be continued by Triani. Triani.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Triani. I will explain the next material. After knowing the concept of contrastive analysis, there are some factors. The first is interlingual transfer. The sources of error can be caused by interference of the learner's mother tongue to the second language that is learned. Like example, the back of Sarah instead of Sarah's back. The sentence the back of Sarah is interfered atau mengalami unsur serapan bahasa lain yang sifatnya melanggar kaidah gramatika bahasa yang diserap. Jadi by the learner's mother tongue. So which is actually using apostrophe atau tanda kutip Sarah's back. And the second is intralingual transfer. The source of error can also happen on intralingual transfer, which is caused by negative intralingual transfer in target language. The example, does Randy can sing instead of can Randy sing. The third is context of learning. Another source of error is context of learning when students often make error because of a misleading explanation from the teacher, faulty presentation of structure or word in a textbook, or even because of a pattern that was rotely memorized in a drill but not properly contextualized. Like the example, how did the football match come on? Di kalimat itu seseorang mengucapkan kata come on untuk menjelaskan sepak bola. Jadi itu bukan kata sifat yang tepat untuk menjelaskan kata sepak bola. Jadi yang benar adalah how did the football come out? Dan terakhir ada communication strategies. Fourth major sources of learner error can be found in different communication strategies employed by the learner to get a message across to a hearer. Avoidance, the first. The second is prefabricated pattern. The third is cognitive and personality style. And the fourth is appeal to authority. Contohnya ada kalimat I lost my way. This was not appropriate in the context, and so paraphrased the sentence, I got lost. According to Delay Board Creation 1982, there are 4 types of error based on the survey strategy taxonomy. The first is omission. Omission are characterized by the absence of items that must appear in well-formed utterance. The second is addition. Addition are the opposite of omission errors. So they are characterized by the presence of an item which must not be present in a well-formed utterance. The third is misformation. Misformation errors are characterized by the use of the unexpected forms of the morpheme or structure. And the last is misordering. Misordering errors are characterized by the incorrect placement of a morpheme of group of morphemes in an utterance. So misordering errors occur systematically for both second language, and first language learners in construction that have already been acquired, specifically simple or direct and embedded or indirect questions. And the next material is, according to Sujoko, 1989, states that the practical uses of errors analysis are as follows. The first is errors provide feedback. So they tell the teacher something about the effectiveness of his teaching materials and his teaching techniques. And then they show every part of the syllabus. It means that they show what parts of the syllabus he has been following have been inadequately learned or taught and need further attention. The third is deciding whether he should devote more time to the items he has been working on. So this is the day-to-day valve of errors, but in terms of broader planning and with a new group of learners. And the last is they provide the information for designing a remedial syllabus or a program of reteaching. So from the explanation, it can be concluded that error analysis is an activity to analyze the learner's errors to reveal something of the system operating through observing, classifying, identifying, separating, and describing. And this is the methodology of error analysis according to SNCDAR 1985. So the first is we collecting of the data, either from a free composition by students on given theme or from examination answer. And then identification of errors. So labeling with varying degrees of precision depending on the linguistic sophistication brought to bear on the task with respect to the exact nature of the deviation, and then classification into error types, and then statements of relative frequency of error types, and then and then identification of the area of difficulty in the target language. And the last is therapy. Therapy, it means that remedial drill, lesson, etc. Okay, thank you. Back to moderator.
Okay, now we will discuss the result of our analysis of student thesis. The authors have analyzed a thesis of an English education student from Raden Intan Islamic State University, Abdul Aziz Turaya, entitled A Narrative Analysis of an English Debater's Experience in Using Self-Talk Strategy in English Debate. Okay, as you can see on your screen, this is the error in student thesis that we have found. The first is the writer always used the negative thinking and feeling when the writer wanted to deliver the writer's mind in English. The type of error in that sentence is misformations. Why? Because word used seems to be in the wrong tense. The form of a verb changes depending on whether it refers to an event taking place in the past, present, or future. So the reconstructions of that sentence is the writer always uses the negative thinking and feeling when the writer wanted to deliver the writer's mind in English. And number 2 is blah, blah, blah. Then they are not confident enough to deliver their ideas during process of debate, even in English debate competitions that they have followed. The type of error in that sentence is omission, because the noun phrase English debate competition seems to be missing a determiner before it. So it's considered adding an article. Okay, and for the reconstructions of that sentence become like this. Blah, blah, blah. Then they are not confident enough to deliver their ideas during process of debate, even in the English debate competitions that they have followed. Okay, next is number 3, the identifications of error like this. Many English debaters are afraid of making mistakes same as the writer. The type of error is misordering. The explanations because even if a sentence is grammatically correct, it still might be unclear or hard to follow. Awkward phrasings or unnecessary words force your reader to work harder to understand what you mean. Very long or overly complicated sentences can lead to the same problem. So, cutting extra words, tightening up awkward phrasing, and making sure your sentence isn't too long, good ways to make your writing clearer. Okay, the reconstructions of that sentence become many English debaters are afraid to make the same mistake as the writer. The next is number 4. Nonetheless, the writer also already has interviewed English debate mentor on Thursday, April 16, 2020. The type of error is addition, and the explanation is same like the previous example because awkward phrasing or unnecessary word. And the reconstructions of this sentence is nonetheless, the writer also has interviewed English debate mentor on Thursday, April 16, 2020. Okay, next is number 5. They applied those system because the number of students in English Debating Society of Islamic Students of Wiraden Lampung are not much. That is why they should adjust the debate system. The type of error in that sentence is misformations because it appears that the quantifier much doesn't fit with the countable noun students. So it's considered to changing it. The reconstructions of that sentence is they applied those systems because the number of students in English Debating Society of Islamic Students of Wiraden Intan Lampung are not many. That is why they should adjust the debate system. Okay, next is the writer analyzed his experience in using self-talk strategy. The type of error in that sentence is additions because the sentence may be unclear, awkward, or hard to follow. So consider repressing. The reconstructions of that sentence is the writer analyzed his experience in using self-talk strategy. Okay, next is number 7. Blah, blah, blah to solve writer's problem in English debate, especially at speaking ability. The type of error in that sentence is omissions. The explanation is the noun phrase writer's problem seems to be missing a determiner before it, so consider adding an article. And the sentence become like this. Blah, blah, blah to solve the writer's problem in English debate, especially at speaking ability. Okay, the next example will be continued by Triani. Triani, time is yours.
Okay, the next identification of error is number 8, where the writer started to use the self-talk strategy since 2019 at 5th semester. This is type of addition. The explanation because the sentence may be too much or awkward or hard to follow. So consider repressing. The reconstructions, the writer started to use the self-talk strategy since 2019 at 5th semester. Number 9, therefore the writer choosing to analyze the writer's experience in using self-talk strategy in English debate with the story and experience that the writer have. So this is a misformation because choosing is not appropriate for that sentence and the auxiliary verb have would be more appropriate if the word is replaced with has. So the reconstruction is therefore the writer choose to analyze the writer's experience in using self-talk strategy in English debate with the story and experience that the writer has. And then number 10, the debate here mostly discuss any issues which happen in the real world and became discussion most of word people. This is omission because the addition of A comma is used to pause sentences that start with transition words, and since word people is a specific noun, it must be preceded by the definite article the. So the reconstructions, the debate here mostly discuss any issues which happen in the real world and became discussion most of the word people. And number 11, this strategy can give the impact in your mental and also skill as long as you want to do it intensively. This is misformation because the preposition in is not appropriate in the sentence. It would be more appropriate if it was replaced with another preposition. So the reconstruction, this strategy can give the impact on your mental and also skill as long as you want to do it intensively. Number 12, the students can raise their enthusiasm and focus on the task at hand by thinking about what to do, not what to avoid. This is addition because there was an error adding the word by. So the reconstruction, the students can raise their enthusiasm and focus on the task at hand, thinking about what to do, not what to avoid. And the next, number 13, its complexities become a special and essential part for human life. This is omission because the noun phrase human life seems to be missing a determiner before it. Consider adding an article. So the reconstruction, its complexities become special and essential part for the human life. Number 14, quantitative method tends not to have the scope to deal with complex human-centeredness. This is misordering because the sentence is not grammatically correct. It still might be unclear or hard to follow. Our keyword phrasing or unnecessary words force your reader to work harder to understand what you mean. So the reconstruction, quantitative method tend to lack the scope to deal with complex human-centeredness. And the last is, the writer did not understand well how to use the self-talk strategy and how it can give a good result. This is addition because in the sentence, it looks like using simple present tense instead of simple past tense because gave is not the right word. So the reconstruction is the writer did not understand well how to use the self-talk strategy and how it can give a good result. Okay, thank you. Back to moderator.
Okay, Driani, thank you. So we can conclude that in the Abdul Aziz Suraya thesis, there are 4 types of error. The first is misformation, misordering, addition, and also omission. Okay, guys, if you have a questions or critic for group 5, feel free to ask us, or you can write your question in the chat box. Any questions, guys? Okay, I think there is no questions for today. That's all our presentation. I hope it can be useful for all of us. Thank you so much for your nice attentions for today. The last I say, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi
warahmatullahi
wabarakatuh.